Previously on GlobeChain, Theo built a white-labeled widget site for a very large client in record time. Then Eliza had to onboard 100 confused humans into it. And everyone survived, somehow. But hidden beneath the success story was a deeply irritating technical problem quietly ruining Theo's life. Every update made to the front end of the GlobeChain site had to be recreated manually inside another system, the one built by the product facility team.
Everything had to be duplicated.
New features, new components, deployments, fixes. Everything had to be built and launched twice, which meant Theo was essentially building two websites, one as head engineer of GlobeChain, and one as a highly stressed photocopier for the client's white-labeled version.
Every time GlobeChain improved their site, they had to remember the other one existed and duplicate everything there too.
Remember Tamagotchis? It was basically like feeding a second digital pet, while your actual pet was already exhausting enough. Eventually Theo reached the final stage every developer reaches before a breakthrough: silence.
We needed to stop rebuilding everything twice.
So Theo began creating something smarter: Globe Core.
A centralized system of reusable components designed to power every GlobeChain-related site from one place.
Basically Lego for exhausted developers. Instead of duplicating entire systems, Theo rebuilt the architecture so components could work everywhere automatically. Which sounds simple.
It was not.
But there was another issue. The website logic was evolving, which meant the design had to evolve too. So naturally, Theo recruited Lauren.
At this point, she really was the fourth unofficial employee.
Lauren helped redesign static pages, dashboards, layouts, navigation, all while Theo quietly performed back-end surgery at alarming hours of the night. A very romantic relationship. Nothing says love like conditional widget rendering. Then came Theo's favorite part. He realized the front end itself could accept widget mode.
We deprecated it completely.
Which in engineering terms means we are respectfully deleting this problem forever.
Instead of maintaining two systems, everything redirected back into the front end. One site, one codebase, no duplication chaos.
And most importantly, any new feature built for GlobeChain instantly worked for the major client too. The developer equivalent of escaping a burning building in slow motion. But even after the migration, something incredible continued happening. Theo would still occasionally receive emails from the product facility team saying,
"The system isn't working."
The system that no longer existed.
Our side was working fine.
Which is engineer language for, this sounds extremely like a you problem. Most people think scaling a tech company means adding more systems. But sometimes, real scaling means removing the unnecessary ones. Because behind every smooth website, there's usually an exhausted engineer somewhere quietly deleting chaos before users ever see it. And in GlobeChain's case, Theo didn't just build systems. He built a way to escape them.